Good evening, Mildred Helms families. I'm Jennifer Ingram, and I'm the new school counselor at Mildred Helms Elementary. I'm really excited to join the team this year, and I'm really excited to meet all of your students. I wanted to let you know a little bit about what the school counselor does. Elementary school counseling attempts to help all children get the most out of school. This is accomplished through classroom guidance lessons, individual and small group student support, that's individual brief solution-focused counseling or group counseling, parent consultations, and community resource referrals. Some lesson topics we'll be covering this year include goal setting and problem solving, friendship skills and conflict resolution, dealing with bullying and peer pressure, managing our emotions, and following directions and making good decisions. If you have any questions about what I can do for you as the school counselor, please feel free to email or call me. My email is ingramje@pcsb.org, and the phone number at school is 727-588-3569. My extension is 2061. Have a great evening, and let's have a great school year.
Welcome to our Spanish class with Senora Carlson here at Mildred Helms Elementary IB World School. This is my classroom, and my classroom's name is Cafe Hola. Hola because I loved to welcome every single student with a warm and nice hello. Class will be conducted in Spanish at least 90% of the time. It is important for my students, for your children, to be exposed to more and more Spanish in order to learn it. To learn to communicate in Spanish, students must listen and speak in Spanish as much as possible. We will have a supportive and positive learning environment where everyone helps each other to learn and grow. If you have any questions, you can contact me at carlsonanna@pcsb.org. Adios. Goodbye.
Hello, Mildred Helms families. My name is Mr. Kiebzak. I'll be your child's art teacher this year. It's my third year here at Mildred Helms. It's my 11th year teaching in Pinellas County Schools. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the amazing creations that your kids create here in the art room this year. We've already started in the curriculum with drawing. Ask them about what they've done the first couple weeks in drawing. Some of the projects are going to take a few weeks to complete, so you might not see a piece of art go home every week. As you know, art is a process. So we started with drawing, then we're going to be painting, then we're going to be doing some sculpting, some ceramics, some mixed media, some printmaking. We have iPads, so we're going to be doing digital art with. So there's a vast variety of mediums that we're going to be working with this year in the art room. I cannot wait to help your child bloom as an artist, and I encourage them to always express themselves and always be as creative as they want to be here in the art room. I'm always available if anybody has any questions in relation to the visual arts. My email is kiebzakj, that's KIEBZAKJ, @pcsb.org. I'm always here. I'll respond back in a timely manner. So please contact me if you have any questions, and I look forward to an amazing year with your child in the art room this year.
Hello and welcome to the music classroom. My name is Miss Wyatt. In the music classroom, students will explore music through the IB lens. I am in my 30th year of teaching. I've been teaching at Mildred Helms for 22 years. In my free time, I enjoy playing the piano and the flute. On the weekends, I spend my time at parks around Florida photographing birds and nature. The best way to contact me is through Class Dojo. Many of you have already connected with me through that, and I thank you very much. Another way to contact me is email. My email information is wyattme@pcsb.org. In the music room, we sing, we play, we move, and we create. It's my goal for students to develop an understanding of music and a lifelong appreciation. I'm looking forward to a great year in the music classroom with your children.
Hey guys, this is Coach Sedley, and I'm out here on our PE field. This is where we'll play majority of our big games. You can also see the cones behind me, and our lap is a little bit different this year. Last year and years past, it's been a quarter of a mile, meaning you needed 4 laps to equal a mile. It is now a fifth of a mile. It's a little bit smaller, and we will be doing our mileage club around these cones. And you can see also behind me there's some things, the portables have been moved, and some construction is going to be going underway. So we look forward to having a successful year and seeing all those high numbers at Mileage Club.
Hello, I'm Coach Stagliano, and I wanted to show you our covered court. This is where we begin our day at PE every day. We do our exercises here, and then if we split up, we will go off to various parts of the PE facilities. Sometimes we are out in the field, sometimes we stay in the covered court, sometimes we are doing our laps for mileage. One thing that's very important is we need people to bring their bottles. We get very hot and sweaty out here, and it's very important to be hydrated. We also have our crates out here. This is where we put our bottles when we start class. And over here we have our bottle filling station.
Hello, I'm Coach Gaskill, and I'm back here on our rear court, the court in the back of our PE field, where we do numerous activities, including shooting some baskets. We do tetherball back here, hula hoops, balls in cup, all kinds of activities. Sometimes we bowl, we do hopscotch, and our mileage lap actually comes right through the trees here and comes right close by this area. And this is the back area of our PE court where we do lots of activities, and we have a chance to get in the shade a little bit also.
Hi, I'm Coach Pershing, and I'd like to show you when it's rainy outside or it's too cold to go outside, what our PE room looks like. Come on in. Here's where we have the children spread out on the different dots, and they get to do some workout with the big screen. Come on over and see. If we're not doing big screen workout, we've got some safety videos. We have a water safety and a bicycle safety, and this is where we do education for physical education.
Good morning, Mildred Helms families. My name is Mr. Williams, and I am the Library Media Technology Specialist at our school. This is my first year at Mildred Helms, and this is about my 10th year working in public education. I have a background in public libraries, museums. My interests include traveling. There's a picture of me in Israel last year, and of course, reading books. Here's a picture of our hub. This is our hub of inquiry. Right now we have the Scholastic Book Fair, which is why you see the furniture moved to the side and a wonderful display of books in the middle of the room. Here at our IB World School, we follow the FINES research model. We work on focus, investigate, taking notes, developing ideas, and self-evaluating, which is checking for understanding and learning. Our library program is all about promoting literacy, reading with each other, reading at home, reading at school, reading ebooks, reading magazines, reading books in the library, all types of reading. We work on learning about information, how to evaluate different types of information. We also have a makerspace in our library where we make things. We make robotics, we work on coding, we work on projects related to STEM, science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And we also produce at our school, we work on creating global citizens. If you have any questions, you can email me. My email is here on the slide. Williams, WILLIAMS, Daniel, DANIEL, @pcsb.org. I'm looking forward to a great school year. This year we have several book and reading clubs, and pretty soon we will also be starting a chess club. Thank you for your time.